Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Supplier, and today we have a 2019 Santa Fe Hyundai Active. Stock reference number 7416. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2018 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has 1 small dent, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have multiple dents, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, logbooks, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.